Hi guys. So in this video, I am just going to show you how to declare an variable and how to play with those variables. Okay. So if we expand this variable, there will be a lot of actions where we can use those actions to declare a variable and play with it. Okay. So first, let me show you how to declare an variable. Okay. So to declare an variable, let me drag the set variable. So using this action where we are going to create a new variable based on our dynamic or static uses. Okay. Now this variable name contains a new var. Okay. This is the variable name, and in this place where we are going to apply an dynamic or static values. Okay. So first let me update an value as Abhishek in the new var. Okay. So if I run this action. So in flow variable where we can be able to check all the variables which we created in our flows and the values of it. So if I double click on this, in this you could see in new variable, it has stored the name as Abhishek. Where we are passing the straightforward as Abhishek as the name, this called as static variables. Okay, so wherever we run and from where which subflow we are running, calling this subflow, this new where always will call the name as Abhishek since this is an static. Okay, now let me show you how to call the dynamic variables. Okay, now in this, let me keep it as new var 2 or dynamic variables. Okay, so in this, I will pass the value called new variable. Okay, so let's just guess it. So now what this variable will do is like first in the first action, this will automatically will create the new variable with the value as Abhishek. Okay. Now in the second action, what it will do is like what are the values in the new var will automatically will store in the dynamic variable. Okay. So wait, let me run and show you now. See, now new var is a static variable where we pass an Abhishek directly to the new variable. So it has stored Abhishek in new variable. Now in dynamic variable, we just call the new variable. So what are the values which contains in new var will automatically will store in this dynamic variable. So this dynamic variable will depends on the new variable, this variable action. So what are the values which contains in this variable? That variable value only will be stored in this variable. Okay, but so this variable may change, not only the Abhishek. This variable may change what are the values we require. Okay, those values will be stored in this dynamic variable. But this new variable will not do as like that. What are the variable we are directly passing? So since I just passed an Abhishek, the Abhishek name will be directly passing to the new variable. So this is static variable. This is the difference between static and dynamic variables. So in upcoming videos, let's discuss deeply about how to split the variables and how to differentiate between two variable sets and everything we can discuss in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.